How many times have you judged a stranger simply because they were in your way? Meet Sarah. She is a high-powered executive who measures her life in minutes, not moments. Successful and sharp, she is perpetually rushing. Today, she is late for a crucial meeting, and her patience is sitting at absolute zero. She moves through the world like a storm, completely unaware that her important schedule is about to collide violently with a stranger's hidden, heartbreaking reality. The grocery store is a chaotic blur of harsh fluorescent lights and overwhelming noise during rush hour. The line stands stagnant. Blocking Sarah's path is an elderly man wearing a faded coat. He moves with agonizing slowness, his trembling, withered hands fumbling to count out small copper coins onto the counter. Sarah taps her foot aggressively, checking her watch every few seconds. Her irritation is physically visible, radiating off her like heat in the aisle. Sarah is not just annoyed, she feels completely superior to him. She watches him struggle and thinks, why didn't he prepare his money earlier? Why is he selfishly wasting my time? She lets out a loud, heavy sigh, hoping he hears it and hurries up. Suddenly, the old man drops a coin. It rolls away under the counter, extending the delay even further. Sarah rolls her eyes, her blood absolutely boiling now. It is a dangerous moment. In her frantic rush to save 5 minutes, she was about to lose her humanity and she didn't even know it. She clears her throat, preparing to say something harsh to finally speed him up. Sarah snaps. She steps forward, pulling out a crisp banknote. Here, she says sharply. I'll pay for it. Just go. She stands there, expecting sudden gratitude or perhaps shame. Instead, the old man freezes. He turns around slowly, and for the first time, Sarah actually sees his face. His eyes are redrimmed and filled with a sorrow so deep it instantly silences the room. She realizes he is not being difficult. The man is barely holding himself together. The man looks down at the single item he is buying, a small box of expensive chocolates. He whispers, his voice breaking, I am so sorry. My wife. The doctors told us that today is her last day. He pauses to breathe. She hasn't eaten in a week, but she asked for these. I just wanted to make her smile one last time. The revelation hits Sarah like a physical blow to the chest. Her urgent meeting instantly dissolves into total meaninglessness. The contrast is sharp and unforgiving. Her petty, temporary inconvenience versus his life-shattering, permanent tragedy. She stands there, stripped of her arrogance, witnessing a love she had almost trampled. Sarah stands paralyzed by absolute, burning shame. She realizes that while she was aggressively looking at her watch, he was looking at the end of a lifetime. The truth hits hard. We judge actions, but we never see hearts. The slow driver, the rude waiter, the fumbling old man, they are all complex, living stories we haven't read. Kindness is not just a favor we give. It is a daily requirement, because the world is already heavy enough without our harsh judgment added to it today. Sarah gently pushes the man's coins back into his hand and pays for the chocolates herself. She walks him to the door, not as a busy executive, but as a humble human being. She completely forgets her meeting. She walks to her car and sits in silence, calling her own family just to hear their voices. She is no longer rushing through life. Today, she is finally seeing it. Next time you want to judge, please pause. You never know their story. Share this video to spread kindness to a world that needs it. And subscribe to our channel for more empathy every day.